First bit. Find the first three terms in the expansion of in ascending powers of x. Given is 2 minus x power 6. I need to find first three terms of this. In any binomial theorem sum, you should write the general term first. General term formula is NCR x power r y power n minus r. Now what is n? The power is n. In place of x, what will you take? Inside the bracket, the x term you will take it to be x. So here along with the negative sign should be taken for x. Many miss this negative sign, you should not miss. Inside the bracket left out term will be taken for y. Okay, now replace them here. So it will be 6cr. R will remain like that only. In place of x, minus x power r. In place of y, 2. Now, simplify this to the maximum extent. And how do I simplify? See. Let us say I take here 1. Apply the power to each. So it is minus 1 power r x power r. Clear? I have broken this into two different things. Negative I took outside. And this as it is. Next, write all the numbers first, x at last. So that will be 6cr minus 1 power r. What I mean is, I write this first and x power r at last. Clear? Now, this cannot be simplified further, so we stop. Now, I need to find first three terms. You get first three terms by taking the r values to be 0, 1 and 2. Clear? If you take r equal to 0, you will get the first term. If you take r equal to 1, you will get the second term. If you take r equal to 2, you get the third term. Clear? Now, replace r equal to 0 in this. So what do I get? 6c0 minus 1 power 0, 2 power 6 minus 0 is 6 and x power 0. If you put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 64. So your first term is 64. Now, replace r equal to 1. So you get 6c1 minus 1 power 1, 2 power 6 minus 1 is 5 and x power 1. Put this in the calculator. You get the answer to be minus 192x power 1. Clear? Now, put r equal to 2 in this. So it will be 6c2 minus 1 power 2. 2 power 6 minus 2 is 4 and x power 2. Put all this at once in the calculator, you get the answer to be 240 x square. Now, he wants first three terms you found out, but your final answer should be writing all of them in a single line. So your final answer will be 64 minus 192 x plus 240 x square. So this is our final answer. Okay. Second bit. Hence, find the value of k for which there is no term in x square in the expansion of 1 plus kx 2 minus x power 6. Given condition is there should not be any x square term in this. Clear? Understand this. No term in x square means x square term should not be present. And how can I make sure that x square does not present in that expansion? Only one way. If there is 0 before x square, then x square 0 times x square is 0. In that way I can be sure that x square term is not present. No term in x square means x square should not be present, and for you to be sure of that, there has to be 0 before x square. From this I understand is coefficient of x square should be 0. Only in that case I can say x square term is not present in the expansion. Clear? No term in x square means coefficient of x square should be 0. Now, so in this entire thing I need to find the coefficient of x square, equate that to 0, that will result in the value of k. Clear? Now, how do I find coefficient of x square? See. This bracket has got the power 1, so it will not undergo any change. This bracket has got power 6. So I get many terms in this expansion of this bracket. But I don't need all those terms. I need only those terms which result in coefficient of x square. Now how do I decide what terms do I need? Based on this. 1 should be multiplied with x square. Only then it will result in x square. Here x power 1 should be multiplied with x power 1. Then only it will result in x square. Okay, now for this bracket we have already found first 3 terms. This was first bit. In that coefficient of x square is 240. So write that here. And coefficient of x power 1 is minus 192. Okay, now multiply. So 1 times 240 is 240. K times minus 192 is minus 192k. Take x square common. Now, no term in x square means x square should not be present. That could only happen if you equate this to 0. Did you understand? No term in x square means x square should not be present. That could only happen if coefficient of x square is 0. So equate this to 0. So that is 240 minus 192k equal to 0. Now add 192k on both sides. So plus 192k. So this cancel out. 240 equal to 192k. Divide by 192 on both sides. So 192 cancel out. If you put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 1.25. So the k value is 1.25. Okay.